Hello everyone, dear friends. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk to you about how to send text messages without showing your phone number. Don't forget, dear friends, please subscribe to this channel. Make sure to put your likes and also write comments. And let us be with you, friends, to begin. Please open the settings on your iPhone to begin with. And now scroll down to the bottom. Go to the Apps section. Next here, please find the Messaging app. After that, go to the iMessage option here. And here, select the second option, View and Send. And here you can see that, for example, you have iMessage connected to your phone number. You can disconnect it, and, for example, you can connect it to iCloud, or you can connect it to any mail. Also, as an option, I recommend that you open the App Store app on your iPhones. And then find the Google Voice option. And find the Google Voice app. This app will help you in the way that you can get yourself another additional phone number. After registering in this application, you will be given such a phone number, and you can simply send various text messages from it. Thus, you will not have to show your real phone number. Dear friends, I hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also put your likes. Bye, everybody.